Have you ever wondered what's the power within? The strength that lies dormant yet alive beneath our skin, a force untamed, a flame unlit, a song unsung, an untapped wit. It's the essence of our being, the core of our soul, a treasure trove of potential waiting to unroll. This power, my friends, is not a myth or lore, but a reality we often ignore. It's the canvas of our lives, the brush in our hand, the map of our journey, the compass of our land. It's the seed within us, eager to grow, the river within us, yearning to flow. We all possess this hidden might, this beacon in the dark, this guiding light. So what does it take to unveil this sight, to awaken this force, to ignite this flight? So sit back, relax, and let's unfold this wonder-working power in every soul. Neville Goddard, a man of stature, spoke of this power, a wondrous feature. In his lecture, he decreed, "Our inner strength is all we need. The wonder-working power within," he said, "can banish sin and doubt and dread." He spoke of faith, of love, of hope, of how these virtues help us cope. "Believe in yourself," he would insist, "and watch your life in bliss exist." His words were simple yet profound, a symphony of truth in sound. Goddard's principle was clear: we are creators, have no fear. Our thoughts, our dreams, our deep desires are sparks that kindle cosmic fires. The power within, he would proclaim, can bring about desired aim. He taught us how to use this might to bring our dreams into the light. Imagine what you want, he said, and it will come just as you've read. His words, they ring with timeless truth, a guide for both the aged and the youth. This inner power, so divine, is not just his or yours, it's mine. It's in us all, a gift so great, a tool to shape our very fate. Believe, imagine, and you'll see the life you want, it soon will be. He urged us all to tap this source, to steer our life on its right course. The power within is real, he said, it's not just something in your head. His lecture, rich with wisdom's wealth, was a call to self-belief and health. So, what's the essence of his speech? It's more than just the words he'd teach. It's the belief in our own might, the faith that we can shine so bright. It's knowing that we hold the key to unlock our potential and be free. His lecture, a treasure trove of insight, illuminates our path so bright. It stirs within us a deep yearning for self-discovery and learning. It kindles the power that's deep within to conquer fear and banish sin. For in every heart there lies a part, a wonder, working power to start. But how, you ask, do we unmask this power so divine and vast? Well, let's embark on this task where self-discovery is unsurpassed. First, you must dare to be aware of the power that resides in there. In your heart, not somewhere, but everywhere. It's a journey, not a race, so tread with grace at your own pace. Next, we must reflect, to connect with our inner architect. It's about introspection, not perfection. So let's set the direction for our mind's resurrection. Then we must believe to receive the wonders we can achieve, like a weaver at his loom, weaving dreams into the room. With faith, you'll bloom. Lastly, we act with tact, turning abstract into fact. It's not about the act, but the impact. So let's enact the power pact. With faith and belief, you'll find relief, your inner power, no longer a thief. So now you know it's time to show the world your power. Let it glow. You've journeyed far, you've gleaned the star, the essence of this power. You now know power. It's not just in the lofty sphere, but in the everyday. It's crystal clear. So why not share this wonder rare? For others too might need this flair. From dawn till dusk, in trust, we must apply these principles. It's not just lust. It's a call to action, a satisfaction, attraction towards the grand attraction. In each daily interaction, find the wonder, see the fraction of the universal power in every single hour. And if you crave to learn and save more treasures from the wisdom cave, then heed this call, don't let it fall. Subscribe, my dear, have no fear, for more wisdom is always near. Together let's embark in light and dark on this journey, let's make our mark.